It covers you. It protects you. It allows you to feel. It makes you recognizable. You are born in it. You fall in love in it. And you grow old in it. Without it, you wouldn't be you. Your skin. It's as distinct as your personality and as unique as your story. So isn't it time there's a skincare product made just for you and no one else? Introducing Xceler8, the future of skincare. With over 6.3 million possible formulations, Xceler8 provides a customized mixer kit matched perfectly to you. Our proprietary Smart Skin algorithm analyzes your skin and environment, giving you a personalized formula in just minutes. The Morning Revitalize Water Cream and Evening Retinol Repair Cream mixed with your unique recipe from the 5 activating boosters provide customized benefits that promote healthy, youthful-looking skin. And our full line of Xceler8 products are designed to complement your mixer kit and further enhance your results, providing natural skincare through sustainable and ethical practices in partnership with our global fair trade farmers. Xceler8 contains no harmful ingredients typically found in many skincare products. Just responsible skincare that creates radiant skin by design. So how do you get your own personalized formulation? It's easy. Step 1, take the short skin survey. Step 2, get your personalized formula. Step 3, mix and use your product. It's that simple. Once you try Xceler8, you'll never go back to generic skincare. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today and start experiencing more vibrant, glowing, beautiful skin. Xceler8 to flawless. You and I were meant for each other.